dokie. Time to take my handsome body into somebody. I don't know. You have to... I don't know how to play as Johnny. I never played as Johnny before.
Got this guy already.
Oh, I can't go under. God, that's annoying. Well, at least I could close them. You killed somebody?
Yup.
You suck.
Wait, who went downstairs? Was that you?
I'm playing as Johnny.
Yeah, was that you that went downstairs?
No, I'm outside. I've been trapped in this building, but now I'm outside. I found my way out finally. I get lost really easily.
I don't get lost.
You look ugly. You gotta look like a pretty lady, bro. There's Hitchhiker.
Did you heard that the hitchhiker was literally saying that the...
Wait, no, that was the last round. I'm in the basement. I'm looking. I'm looking for people in the basement. I forgot. I can't go through gaps or crawl, which sucks.
I see,
I'm pretty sure... Oh, wait. You saw somebody?
that's all, another kill.
Bruh. I'm so bad at this game. I can't kill anybody, bruh. And I can't find my way out the damn basement again. Oh my god.
I can find my way out of the building. I played like a billion times.
Grandpa's in danger! Get him! Save Grandpa! Bruh, how the fuck do I get out of here? Finally, God! I was just looking like a doofus the whole round, bruh.
Oh, we just show the heck out of that.
Oh my god. Dang, I spawned like at the barn, bro. What is this, Friday the 13th, part 3?
What?
Bro, they're making noises already.
They won't give a crap.
Exactly. Look at that, they don't even give a crap about Grandpa either.
Oh my god! They're just trolling me at this point.
I told you. I told you. Don't worry, I'm in the basement with you. I'm gonna help you. I'm coming. I'm coming.
There's a kid over here.
I see somebody. Why'd you do that? I was gonna go under there. Yeah, you're doing a mighty fine job.
Someone's already on top! God, these are Swiss! Go on top, go on top, go on top. They're upstairs.
Are they in here? Probably in these bushes. Make me.
I'll get her downstairs.
Bruh, they already stabbed Grandpa, bruh. This round's just... Bruh. I see somebody! Help me. Help me. Die. I ran off stamina. God, Sissy runs out of stamina really fast.
Plan. Like they have a game plan.
So they probably do. I heard her. There's a person in the basement. Crap. Wait, I gotta follow the blood. Bro, she's so annoying, bro. She's just juking me over and over and over again. Help me, God.
Bro, I'm about to see this dog.
Bro, how are they always stronger than me, bro? This is so just not epic.
We're all bad. We're all getting destroyed.
I know, we are all bad. I literally said help me like 5,000 times, but y'all wouldn't help me. Because this girl's annoying. She keeps on juking me over and over again. Oh, I found her. I found somebody. There's somebody in the basement. Oh god, and of course they locked the dang door. Let's go! No! I was right there!
Go on, just outside. Oh, I thought it was you. We thought it was a victim. That's what we.
Nah, it's just your little sissy. That's just who it is. If you, and I'm just gonna feed Grandpa real quick. Grandpa's hungry. Give him food.
I am.
I'm just looking around in the basement, trying to find some.
I'm just wondering about the house, or if I see the mission downstairs.
I'm just looking around the basement, looking. I saw a person in the basement a while ago. I was screaming, "Help me!" 1,000 times, but y'all were like, "Nope."
But because we were chasing other guys that were outside.
Bro, how long is this match gonna go, bro? I don't even know where the other powders are at. I need more poison.
Have you all had blood for your grandpa?
I have 50 cups of blood.
Not 30. Not enough.
I know.
Oh, enough.
Oh, somebody got stuck in a trap.
No! They're outside!
Get him!
Get him! Get him!
He's in the basement, in the basement, in the basement!
Inside, everyone inside.
Lock your doors! Alright, let me feed Grandpa.
Beat him. It's not enough. Okay, I'm enough. Alright, get ready.
Wait, make sure to lock the doors, lock the doors.
Close the doors.
Lock the doors.
We're about to get this kid. Wait, what? Bro, we need one more.
Here, I'll protect outside. Or I'll keep him watch outside.
I'm about to be Grandpa. Hold up. He's about to be back. Get ready.
I'm looking around outside. Skull. Bro, she's still in the basement.
Chicken.
She's in the basement. Give her chicken.
Get him. I think one of y'all kill. I don't really care at this point. I'll block the door, right?
Okay. Well, I went the wrong way. God dang it.
Feed him? But not trying to feed him. Oh, he's dead. Let's go.
Suck. Look for people. Bro, god damn it. Oh. Hello, Missy. Hello, miss. Let's go. What? I got a kill.
Already?
Yes, because you saw.
What?
Yes.
Good sign that we've been good.
Yes.